Then we should adjust a little bit. I notice when I look through the PDF and the video, but I don't care to make it one more time or render. So there was some view, the right view, no, the left view show the right viewport. This one. This is one. So when I delete that one, I can try. Now I delete it. There's so many layers that aren't enough. So I delete it, and then I insert a new viewport. I know we have made it, or at least I hope so. Name it view, create view, viewport. From here and down to here. On left, I want to have the left view. And then this come up. Now we only need to adjust again. And I of course have forgot. I also see that we didn't, or I didn't, take away the text I put inside this section A piece space. And also I didn't adjust the angle. Roof angle was on the same small 7.65 or whatever it was. Go to close. That viewport should be 1 to 50. Pixel scale. I can select it here also. And this is correct. And we want to, I think we want to drag it maybe a little bit more over. Yeah, there we have the deck, and we don't have the, do we have the stair outside here? If I now go and see in hidden line, like this, and there we see the fence on the back side. I don't want to see that. That was stone fence. Take away that one. There we see the deck, and this is the stair. And then we need to figure out what was this measurement on the other one. I don't remember that. Right. Back. There it was. This also I forgot to take away. 438. And I go to the left. Take this. Have reference point there. And I go to J. This was possible. J. It's 438 divided. 438 divided on 50. 8.76. 0.76. There we have it. Now it is correct, and it is the left view. And I don't want to see the frame. 16, 18, and 23 is a little bit about lower than this. That is correct. What is this? This don't have the text correct inside. Is it because this is the same with everybody now? They have moved. Delete. Okay, I can see later. I don't care to do it now. This one is correct. That one. That was the first. The other one is inserted as a symbol. and then this thing going wrong for a reason. Delete. 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 Go to the first one. Select this one. Control copy. Maybe we cannot use it as a symbol. Control V. Yes. Reference point. I don't know. Put it in the bottom here. D in nearest. And then lifting it up. It has this thing. It was this nearest to this one. Okay, and it was up 6 point something. 8.76 delta y 8.76. Same thing on the right. Control V. D in nearest. After nearest, and then up delta y 8.76. I hope. Yeah. Enter. And this should be correct. And I go to left. Control V. Have reference point up there. Okay. D and nearest. And I lift it up to. I need to take it here first now. Nearest. Then I want to drag it a little bit over. Yes, and lift it up. Eight 0.76 and this coming down there. This do not, but they left it. D in and this go to nearest, and then it going up 8.76. Still outside. That's a strange. Should be the same dimension on the front. Okay, can be like it is. There. So that is the thing. We see this, we see this. I need to look more exactly this time. Plan 1. We have this there, we have this. Plan 2. This there is not there. This. Section A. I need to take away this. And this. And I need to copy. Can I do this? I want to copy property from this to this. Yes, okay. This to this. Escape. On the front, we see the deck. Yeah. And back, we don't see the stair. It was out of there or something. Stair outside. Okay. Right. We see the deck, but we don't see the stair. Okay. The last one has stair and deck. And this is okay. Sit mat should be okay. Head dimension. Not have all dimension. I should have the middle of the road here and the middle of the road there. I don't know what the middle is, so I don't think. But then you know it should be there, but I don't know what the router is in where you guys live. Then it is, and then it's only on the stair. I want to have this arrow. Where is that stair? If I take away, that is the gutter. Where do we hide that? Waterfall in blodsigma. Stjärnsize. Where did we hide this gutter thing? In roof? Yeah, this one I'll take off. How many dimension? In 0, just close it. I'll take away all the dim. One of them is the beam and one of them is the stair. Isn't it something like that? No? Yeah. Yeah, it is there. This is the stair down there. This is roof slab poly. I take away all the roof. Now we're left. This is the stair. And you're going into this line. No. This and this. First one stair here on the outside. That box. That's the beam. That's a poly line. That one. Going into that line. And then I need to find this it was not there. Why is it there? It's not there. There it is, I think. I don't know. If I take this, there we have it. I take the arrow line from up, and it should be to the line that's just outside the plate here, to J. Layer 0 is gone again. It's important to pay attention to it, because after 0 I start to take the other one. Our entity, I want this one. On this one I only use that tape, so I say 300. I cover nearly everything. I see we have a circle, we can try with the circle, but I think it will be too big. Yeah, this looks strange. It can be, this is on the edge. If this is in the center, it still looks funny. So I just use this. And this one should also be in stair outside. And then it should show, but I need to put on the other one, I assume. And the roof. And then plan 1, it should show. There it is. I don't care if I make one. Not there, and it's not there. Now we have to take this, delete it, and change this angle thing. Front, back, right, and left. Then the other, this is okay. Then I go back to model sprite. I put on this other one. That was that layer is gone. It was named Boa. This is the same name like we use. Or did use earlier. Boa. I didn't have. That was crazy system. Take this. And then move it up there. This one also. That polyline and the entity marker. Can be moved up there someplace. And I set reference point B in B and down to E. Oh, I had this crazy number, so forget it. Delete. Then maybe there is a big Boa in here too. Yeah. That one. Delete. I want to have plane by world. And I want to set the entity marker. These two. Then I have this, and this should also be in Boa. Then we have it. Then we can see if we find area for into a table. It have the same, so I select this. I select this one and this, no, not entity mark, poly. This, and I want to go to tools. Isn't database in here someplace? Yeah, database, report, create. Call it BOA. It's from common. I want to have the layer name, and I want from object. Where can I find that? This is that way. I get the parameter, but I don't care about that. I want to have the area there. I go here to edit this one. Clear criteria from selection. OK. And do I want to have it? Area common use and total layer cannot use. Yeah, I can have it like this. I only selected entities and OK and OK. I forgot to say I want to report. That we can maybe get in here too. No, I'm not ready to report. Try some other thing in here. Where's one of these piece? Selection properties. And that one. Can I not get a list? Okay. Then it's out of interest, and I want to have the database, report, and BOA. I want to have cancel. I need to select them first. This one and this one. Tools, database, there. Report. We only have BOA, so I want to have a report. They're coming up. And then we can say I want to have grand total. That not work. Clear total. Then I want to insert a table into the drawing. It can be standard. I only have standard in this one. I haven't made anyone in this. OK. And I can insert it here. And it thanks more. Where did it go, if I may ask? That is. I can go and say this. No, I can't. I'd like to, if this square meter go away, but it don't. It can be a square meter, but I don't want it to be under, I want it to be next. Then we have this. It can be, and put it here. And then I take this one and that one, and I do the same. Tools, report, can be the same report, I believe. You also should take layer name, report, insert the drawing, OK, and we want it in here. And I don't understand why I need to be so small, but maybe, yeah, if we can we get it directly from the P-space. There. I also do the same with this one. Now they all named Boa. Okay, I should rename them, maybe. I don't know. This can be smaller, so I'll be different. Then I should go to Tools, Report, Boa, Edit, Area, Delete, Control Z, didn't change anything. So then we need to insert it and scale it up one more time. Then I do that, like this, Shift, and this, and delete. And I do it one more time, and I have to practice for. And this one, Tools, Database, Report, Area, I want that report, Close, OK, and I want to insert it there. No, I didn't insert. Tools, Database, Report, insert the drawing, and OK, there. And take this. We cannot say that it should go equal both ways. Something like that. Don't want it to touch the other one, and then we can make them similar. So then I take this one and that one, Tools, Database, Report, insert the drawing, OK, insert the tail. Yes, we can keep aspect ratio if I do it before I started writing. I'm going to say D in V, and that one should go to V, and I can take this up, and now I think there, and I can take this up to J. Now they have the same size, and then I move it over to the place where I want it and where it belongs. And then I can do it one more time. Draw, not draw, tools, database, report, cancel. I have to select something first because I say from selection. This one is not correct, I think. This is more wide than that one. Tools, database, report. It's only one, so it's no problem. Insert to drawing. OK. Insert it here. And then I say this one. And down here. D in V. This can be to V. And I drag this one up to J. To J. And then I move it over here. A little bit more away. So, yeah, that's good enough. Then we have all the area, the main area in the house that we want to have. I can also put on entity marker 1 and 2 and say this, and I can select by, and I can say no, this one take it from the room, take away this, take away that, and I'm putting on room. Room 2 and room 1. Select by, tools, database, report, and report. It's annoying me that we can't get the ground total. I don't know why. Insert, OK. We can have that here. And this is still active, yes. Equals 0, about like this. Then we have this. And we can do it one more time, and then I should have from room 2. Select by. Report, report, insert, OK, OK. D in V to V. One is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's one more in here. So I say D in V, and this one I want up to J. Is that clever? No, I don't think so. T in V, down to J, now to V. I want that line here to coming up there, but you cannot do it exactly, but you can do it about, to be about here. Then they are about same size, that's the point. This, move it away, pressing shift. Then we have this. Then we can select all the wall. I can go to database, I can select them first. I can say all the wall in here. Select by. Press only this, so it's easy. To database, report, create walls. It is common. No, this object. Wall. If I want the left, if I want the gross on it, that meaning before we take out window or after, but I think we should take the right. No, I think right is on the outside, opposite what I would believe. This, and then I want the left net. That should be inside. Height, I don't know. Material, thickness, volume, I don't care about volume. Wall style. Thickness, do you want to have thickness? Yeah, I think that. So then I say this one, I want to move up. Thickness, I want to move up. Then we have the wall thickness, area, edit, clear from selection, OK, and OK. I want to have a report. That is all the wall, and it comes with this stupid thing here. Insert. Okay. I set it there. That should be readable. This is brutto, all of them 150. And then I can say I want all exterior wall in first floor and in second floor. This and control, that will be better. This one and this one. Select by. Tools, database, report, I want the walls, report. Will that do it then? Yay! Yeah. I don't need the total thickness, that is stupid, but this is total. On the wall it works. No, I don't want. Clear. Close. Report. Insert. OK. Up there someplace. Connect this in there. Horizon. I never noticed that, missing one N. Right, we understand. D in V and in V. And I hold the shift. Then we take all the interior wall. The wall 1, interior wall 2. Select by. Tools and database. Report walls. Report inserted drawing. Okay. Oh, yeah. Write this down. D in V to V, and then move it to right, pressing shift to about here. Then we have all the walls. Only this problem to read it. What we can do is to make, are they still selected? No. What we can do is to take all the, let's say take the interior wall now, only for show it. This internal wall 2, select by. And then I go and make a new 2. Datapause. Want to have report, wall, and report. I want to export it, I think this one. Now I come in there, I want it in the same place. Drawings. It's Excel. Yeah, it can be an Excel now. That's okay. Walls. And save. And close. And OK. Then I can open Excel. I want a new one. I always like to have a little bit of space. No, it was fine. Open. There and in. I did have it in drawing. That one I want to open. And then I say this one. I can try this just to change the format, not the text. This to format. That should not be exceptional. It should be number. it should have 2 decimal. I want this for 1000. I want this for negative. Okay. And then this is this divide on 1 million, and I get it in square meter. And I do the same there, Control R, and then I select these two, Control D, and I can say how many in total I have. Enter, and enter. That is how many gross and net square meter. I can take this, copy and put it there. I can take this, copy and enter, and I double click here, and I double click there. This, and I say this should be fat. So that is the square meter of the interior wall in first and second floor. And the same way we can do with if I go back to TurboCAD here. I don't think we can have changed the format on this. This on data tick. What else do we want to know? We want to know how many doors and windows. I can insert this on this side here, and then I say we take the window. Don't we have window in first floor? One, window 1, this one, and window 2, this one. Select by, and I want to have a new report. Where's it there? Great, window. And it is the object. Do we want to have layer also, maybe? That we can put on the wall also. Angle area, layer. Then I want to have object. Screen down, window. I don't care for me. I want to have the width, and I want to have height. I want to have leaf. As there is leaf. No, there is no leaf. There is rise on this leaf. Remove width. Frame width. Height. I don't want frame width. Remove. I want the width. Add. I want the height. Not still height. Height. There. We have that. We have the height and the width. Layer, height, width. This one should going up. It's width by height, and the rise for this trapezoid window. Do we want to have the style? Window shape, window style, window type. We take the style. Add. We have the layer, and we have the style, and then we have the width and height and rise, and it should be to selection and OK, and it makes no sense to have summary here. OK, and then we want to report. This window stand with 25mm, even if it's not this. This is the thing I want. Boom, 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 boom. Why is there so many? They come all the entity marker. They are on the same layer. That was not clever. Anyway, I insert it like it is. Need to remember that, change name on the entity marker and not put it in the same layer. If I don't take a layer, then I don't get it, because this is not the window. I still get this rise. I can take away this because it looks stupid. Close, edit. I don't want the layer, remove. I don't want the rise, remove. OK. Want to record. This is what I want to see. And I want to insert it in the drawing. Here. Yeah. This is still accurate. This is really good. Nice, very small. Windows, and then I want to make a new one. First I should select what I want. I want all the external door. There is only on first floor. Select by. Now 3. Tools, database, report, create. External doors, edit, clear, criteria, selection, that's OK. I want the object ABCD door. Want the door styles? No. Do we have that on window? No, we only have the, yeah, we have the style. We start with the style, and we want the width, and we want the height. And I say this, and OK, and then I want to report of that, and insert in the drawing, OK, yeah. I shift from a fly. This was on, so I can just drag it down. About there. And then we want internal door. Where is it? Internal door 1 and internal door 2. Select by. Have it? Yes. And then I want tools, database, report, external door, report, insert, OK. In my old template there I have all styles for doors and window by telling it. But now we get it in here too, so, and this should be the template later. I didn't like the way it stands millimeter. Now there I come on the side. Okay. This is about same dimension, isn't it? Yeah. D in V, and then I move it away, pressing Shift. There. Then we have our doors and window. We have all the area, also of the walls. And like I say, we need to go to Excel. I can insert that Excel sheet in the drawing. I'm pretty sure. Insert. Is it object? No. It is sign. Yes. Supported files. Don't show me the Excel. No. Cancel. I need to insert the object. Object. It's Excel. Mark on it. No, I don't have Excel worksheet. This. Ja. Opprett nytt, opprett fra fil. No, it's nothing there. This one. Open. OK. Then it go bananas or something. I think so. I go down here. This. Walls. Save. And close. And close. Seems like you don't like that. If it crashes now, I'll be annoyed. I say escape. Maybe because we had the drawing open. No. Drawing is frozen. Yes. This. Close. Beskyttet. OK. I don't have it protected. I need to open it, favorite over, and something. Go and there, come back. Now this is this, and then I go insert, object. It was a worksheet. OK. Varför stack det för mig? Den är slow. Riktigt. I delete because it was the wrong one. Insert, Object, Excel, Form 5, True, and it was this here, Open, OK, and they're coming in there. And I can drag this one out so it will be readable, and I can move it up here, and we can see the difference. So then we have it, and then we can make a viewport over this and put in for the print. I don't care to do that now, or I can do it with this one, maybe. I take this and this. I take this, and I say this should be over here someplace. I can copy this, this, and this. And place them like this. And I take this one here. And this one. Oh, pressing shift at that. There, and this one, pressing shift, about there. Then I make a viewport over that. View, name view, create view. I don't know how good it will be readable. View 2, and I call it areas. Okay. And this is only me. I did my I go here, option, load form. Maybe it was too low. Must have been then when I started banging the head in the wall with this Excel sheet that was open in Excel. I can take this one. Duplicate. This is not perspective. Rename. Areas. RTS. Areas. OK. This one, delete. Text. It should be areas. Close this and I close that. And I want the viewport. That would be areas. Go to and close. Can make it a little bit bigger, can't we? Fixed scale 110. It's okay. I should say 1 to 100. 115 is maximum. That was too big, because we don't see what's over here. So then we say 110. Let me change. Why? Why? I will use it and then select it again. Okay. 1 to 110. There they are inside. And then we can take the door and window also. They was on this side. A little bit stupid. Yeah, we make it like this. View, name view, create view. Go and windows. Can I use this sign inside it? Let's see. Yeah, exactly. Take this and I duplicate it and I rename. Yeah, I accept it. Inside door and windows, we don't want to have that viewport. We want to have doors and windows. Name view, viewport. Yeah, it's not that right. Doors and window, go to close. We can make it a little bit bigger. It's in fixed scale. 58. Try with 65. If I say 50, then that doesn't go. Missing a little bit, it's not much. Maybe we can squeeze it in here. This is now there, and I can take it down a little tad, and there. Yeah, it's inside. This, yes. And this was named door and window. Door and windows. If I that is the R or L. I forgot that. This one. 8, 30. Take away the S and then it works. Door window. And I don't want to see the frame. And I can do the same here in this one too. I don't want to see the frame. Can drag it a bit over. So close to the text title field. About there. And I take this inside here, then I don't get the warning. So in the real world Of course, we will make sure this is possible to read. At the moment, I don't care because I only show the principle behind it. We can make this Excel sheet shorter. I can hide in this inside Excel. We can hide this area. Then we get it only in square meter or square feet, whatever we want to have it in. Then it don't take so much space. So that's one thing, one way to do it. Sitemap okay. Oh, that was not okay because they are inside a layer. And that layer's name 0, I guess. Yada. They are in 0 that have disappeared again. Yeah. It's kind of boring. They're now in 0, and then round 0, don't show it, round 1, don't show it, round 2, don't show it, and section A should not show it. Font, you can't see it, back, right, left, sitemap, there I can see it. Inside this one, I don't want to see 0. The thing is that all viewport is 0. But the visible layer, we try and we see what happens. Yeah, it works. Because when TurboCAD make this, he make it on 0. But now we are missing, that's why this was there. This one. Okay, I'll go and put it back again. This 2. D in V. But I copy it this time. Stamp. It should be down here. It should be in the corner here. In V. So I'm finished. And then I go to sitemap. Yay. But it also show up here. So we say it should be easy. I need to move this up a little bit. Sitemap 200 is no problem. Sitemap 500, it is a problem. This one has the name of no name. Yeah, that was this. Didn't we just make this BOA? BOA. And this one should be in BOA. Yeah, now I come. And this one should be in BOA too. Yay. Then I go to this one. It's okay, 500. I need to take away BOA and cell. Selection info. Don't want this. And I don't want BOA. Okay. Then that is clean. Perspective 1, they are okay. And then I go to areas. That's okay. And I go to door windows. That's okay. I go then to model space. I turn off boa. Yeah, that is boa. Yeah, turn it off. Hopefully it still show in Sigma. No, because now the layer is closed. Even if I say it should be on. Okay, then I need to remember that. I don't want them in my plan. We'll go to model space, Control T and D, door, OK. All the doors should be open, remember. Basic, 50. This, and I go for print query. I want the tree plan, not this. Yes, 1 and 2. They are in turbo. I say print. Now I see the all three have come in. Then I go back to TurboCAD. I go to model space and I Control T, D for door, OK. Now that should be closed. I should take away this stupid rise. Why is there 25mm rise? When it's finished, to close them. Sometimes. Many door, he should run around and close. Maybe that's why. Rise 0. 0, enter. It's not possible to have smaller than that. Okay. Normally I never care because I don't have too many windows that using rise. That is if there is an arch on the door and window, then we're using the rise. And then I go back to here just to check that they are all closed. And then I go to print again. And I go query. And I say all. And I uncheck the model space. And this tree I already have printed. And I say print. And then I go to Turbo, and I save it. This, all, line new. Just to change the name because I forgot to delete this. And I don't know if it would replace. I don't take the risk of it. So I say all new, save. And then I go here again, I can see it. I say it should fit the page, and I can scroll down. There, missing. That was boring. They are okay. Back to TurboCAD. I go to Sigma 500 and I call this layer for BOA. Okay. Then I need to move this even further away. So we don't need to bother with it anymore, or I can put it in a category. Where is it? I turn it off. I say this should be in a category. And that should be BOA. And I turn it off. And then in Sigma 500, it's not show anymore. Then I print only this one. This and this, current view. Okay. Take this, and this I will save like it is. Okay. And then I want to go here, I think. Or can I drag it directly in to the other? Drag this over there? No, only move. Insert from open files. Yeah, I know that, but I never make it work. Cancel. I want to be here, and I want to insert it. Where is this thing? This is paper number 10. I want to take away. Insert from open files. Yes. From this, add file. Before page 10. Okay. And then I need to go. I say 10. Okay, I click one place. No, it is this, before 10 I said. And that was wrong, it should be in before 11. I take this down here. This one is the old with no BOA on. So I delete that page. Okay. I want to have this one before the other one. That is the same way we have it in the drawing. So, and I save. And I close. Also, I go to model page. And that's it. Then there's only one video left, and that is only to show a little bit or make no sense. I was thinking about show some PPM thing. That's why I leave some line in around this window. That is about how to make molding for that window, and similar for this with PPM. Yeah, I can take one short video more with where I show the PPM, because I never make it like this. Before we have this thing with this plus and minus on the block, I use PPM to insert it. This one is no problem, that is default. But this one is cumbersome to make, take 1 hour or something. With the PPM it takes me 2 minutes or 1 minute, whatever. I only need to know the angle and the height and width and zip, and I drag it in and place it. So 1 or 2 minutes and it's finished. Then I can explode it. It becomes solid. I can give it material. It had the interior and the exterior molding. Everything is on inside the PPM. Only need to give it material and then boom, finish. Yeah. I think we have it like this, and I save the drawing and we are finished.